we're diving into the world of Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung, the Korean smartphone giant, has been ruling the global smartphone market for years, and every time they drop a new phone, it's an absolute game changer. Rumors are swirling that Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra as the successor to the S25 Ultra, and let me tell you, the leaked features are nothing short of mind-blowing. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into the details. Let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a resolution of 1260 x 2712 pixels, and a pixel density of 380 ppi. But that's not all. This beast is expected to come with a jaw-dropping 4500 nits peak brightness, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or scrolling, this display is going to be an absolute treat for your eyes. Camera setup. Now, let's move on to the camera, because let's be honest, that's what most of us are excited about. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a 5-camera setup on the back. The primary camera is said to be a whopping 200 megapixels. And it doesn't stop there, you'll also get a 50 megapixel, 25 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel camera to complete the setup. With this kind of power, you'll be able to shoot 8K videos like a pro. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the front camera is expected to be a 50 megapixel shooter. Processor. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to pack the latest and greatest from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8S Elite. This chipset is expected to be the most powerful mobile processor yet, ensuring lightning-fast performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. And on the software side, you'll be running Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Let's talk battery life because, what's a powerhouse phone without a powerhouse battery? The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come with a massive 6000 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt fast charging. And to top it off, it'll feature USB Type-C version 3.2 for faster data transfer and charging. Price and launch date. How much is this beast going to cost? Well, rumors suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be priced around $1,500 in USA. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but we're keeping our ears to the ground for any updates. Stay tuned.